Project 3C not only helps your child find a career that matches their interests, it provides them with skills and experiences to help them succeed. American Indian students K-12 in the Lumbee Tribal Service Area build skills and explore educational and career opportunities in STEM fields through camps, clubs, and community events. Hands-on learning and career exploration empowers students to choose STEM academic paths, leading to successful careers that match their personal interests and abilities. Club iSTEM exposes American Indian students grades 1 through 4 to STEM-related career opportunities with a Native perspective. The activities will be held at various Boys and Girls Clubs and the Lumbee Tribe of North Carolina Cultural Center. Indigenous Girls in STEM caters to American Indian females grades 6 through 8. Participants complete presentations on STEM careers, learning the value of the Native female perspective and their underrepresentation in STEM careers. At STEM summer camps, rising 10th through 12th grade American Indian students will explore and learn to prepare for their career. Students stay overnight on the campus of UNCP. During the week, they will build resume and cover letters and practice communication and interview skills. They'll learn professional etiquette, test taking, and how to manage money. Students will also visit college campuses and participate in STEM job training with local businesses. Project 3C empowers tribal communities through Family STEM Nights hosted by UNC Pembroke. Family activities promote STEM awareness and equip participants to prepare for college and careers. Project 3C is a partnership with broad community support and federal funding that aims to provide year-round opportunities in locations across the service area. Find and choose a future that's right for you. Details about Project 3C camps, clubs, and community events can be found at uncp.edu/Project3C. Project 3C is a federal grant awarded to the Lumbee Tribe of North Carolina and funded by the U.S. Department of Education's Office of Indian Education.